Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. For that, first of all, you need to come here in your MoonPay application. Here on the home page itself, you will see this section that says MoonPay account. Over here, you will see three cryptocurrency tabs: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So here, since you want to send Bitcoin, you need to simply tap on the option of Bitcoin. Here inside it, you will see this arrow option. This is basically the send option. So you need to simply tap on the option of send. Now it is going to ask you to select the recipient's address. So in order to get this address, you need to simply launch your another external wallet. It is Trust Wallet in my case, but it can be different in your account. So here in your external wallet, you need to simply search for BTC, then tap on the option of receive. After that, you need to copy this address from here. Once done, you need to come back here in your MoonPay account. Then in the recipient address, you need to paste the address. After that, you just have to simply enter the amount of USD which you want to basically spend on sending to the external wallet. It is also going to show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you are sending. Then tap on the option of continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to review your transaction and complete it. So once your transaction is completed from the MoonPay account of yours, you are going to get your Bitcoin in your external wallet within just 5 to 10 minutes. So this way you will be able to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.